the U.S. Army has deployed its first operational laser weapon system to Iraq. 3 Stryker infantry combat vehicles armed with 50-kilowatt lasers, known as M-SHORADS, have been deployed in response to lethal drone strikes on U.S. personnel. These brand-new systems delivered to the service last September mark a significant advancement in the Army's defensive capabilities. M-SHORADS, or Directed Energy Maneuver Short-Range Air Defense Systems developed by RTX, formerly Raytheon, combine a 50-kilowatt laser weapon with the armored chassis of a Stryker infantry combat vehicle, the laser controlled by a radar acquisition system, a targeting sensor, and a beam control system is designed to engage aerial targets effectively. Equipped with the multispectral targeting system, the M-SHORADS provides air defense overwatch for Army ground troops, protecting them from drones, both individual and in swarms. One of the key advantages of laser systems over traditional anti-drone systems is their unlimited number of shots, limited only by the system's access to electricity. These systems offer rapid response times, travel at the speed of light, and do not require leading to intercept the target. Additionally, they do not disrupt radio signals like electronic warfare signal jammers. The deployment of the M-SHORADS systems to Iraq follows a significant increase in drone and artillery attacks on American forces in the region. These attacks, primarily orchestrated by Iranian-backed militias, have posed a serious threat to U.S. personnel. The M-SHORADS systems provide multifaceted protection capable of engaging drones and intercepting enemy artillery shells in mid-air before they can impact friendly positions. General Michael Kurilla, head of U.S. Central Command, confirmed the deployment of 3 M-SHORADS systems to Iraq, emphasizing the need for effective drone-killing systems in the region. This deployment marks a critical step in the Army's efforts to counter evolving threats, and if successful, the M-SHORADS system could see wider adoption in the Army's defense strategy against drone swarms.